Hello, origami enthusiasts! Today, we're embarking on a whimsical journey into the art of origami. And our subject is none other than the humble donkey. Origami is not just a craft. It's a form of meditation that hones your manual dexterity and sharpens your mind. It's a tranquil escape that culminates in the creation of a charming paper donkey. So without further ado, let's unfold the magic of origami together. Here's a playful step-by-step guide to crafting your very own origami donkey. Once you've mastered this delightful origami donkey, the world of paper folding is your oyster. You can trot into more elaborate designs, or even assemble an entire barnyard of origami creatures. Origami is a delightful pastime that tests your ingenuity and agility, all while providing endless amusement. So seize a sheet of paper and embark on your origami odyssey. Thank you for joining me on this origami escapade. If this tutorial brought a smile to your face, or added a new fold to your repertoire, please remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative insights. Until our next crafty encounter, keep those folds crisp and your spirits high. Happy folding and see you next time.